Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, markets are moving higher nearly everywhere. European stocks were up about 3% overnight, and Wall Street is up 1% higher this morning. The bounce follows several polls over the weekend that suggested a very tight race in Britain's EU vote, but that the Leave campaign may have lost momentum. We will likely see poll-induced volatility for the rest of the week. In Hong Kong, their monetary authority is tracking foreclosures, which have been rising and are likely to pick up pace as more owners default on high-interest loans from unregulated lenders in their weak economy. In Australia, Fitch is reporting that car loan delinquencies are rising, off a low base true, but still they're back to levels not seen since 2010. In the US, a key trucking index is showing some weakness, perhaps pointing to sluggish retail sales ahead. And speaking of freight, it's probably worth noting that the expanded Panama Canal will open early next week, reducing the cost of international sea freight, which is already very low and falling. Advantage is about to shift to the very largest ships, leaving smaller capacity vessels facing an uneconomic future. In New York, the benchmark US Treasury 10-year yield is extending its rises, and this morning is up a further 6 basis points to 1.67%. Overnight, those Brexit polls of risk premiums on investment-grade corporate debt shrinking dramatically on both Wall Street and especially in Europe. We are seeing rising benchmark government bond yields in key European markets as well. Even the oil price is seeing gains today. The US benchmark is now just over $49 a barrel, and the Brent benchmark is just under $51 a barrel. Gold is one commodity going the other way, now down a few dollars to $1,286 an ounce. And finally, the New Zealand dollar starts today stronger. It's 71.1 US cents, 95.4 Aussie cents, and 62.9 euro cents. The TWI index is now at 74.1. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.